Radial distributions of active species in RF-jet plasmas and afterglows. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The radial distributions of plasma and afterglow radiative species have been analyzed with optical fibers connected to an optical spectrometer with an optical fiber of 1 mm dia, giving a detected light resolution of about 1 cm at a 10 cm distance. The N2 long time afterglow, La10-2S, was studied in a large volume reactor, 5 liters, at a pressure of 68 torr, flow rate 0.51 SLPM. The La at 10-2S was a jet of dia 2 cm with densities of N atoms and N2, X, V, 13, metastable molecules of 10-15 and 0.5-10-15 cm3, respectively. By putting a horizontal slit of 50 m in front of the dia 1 mm optical fiber, a light beam of 1 mm dia was detected across an afterglow tube of 2 cm dia. In an N2 RF plasma at 8 torr, 1 SLPM, 100 watts, Bessel-typed profiles were recorded for all the radiative bands. In the pink afterglow and flat profiles of the N2 580 nanometers band in the late afterglow. The N2 580 nanometers band is produced in the late afterglow by N atoms rebounding on the tube wall, explaining its flat profile. In the pink afterglow, the N2 580 nm band is mainly produced by collisions of the N2, X, V, 13 and N2, A states where N2, A is destroyed on the tube wall, which explains its Bessel profile. With a small h to content into N to the N2, X, V, 13 and N2, A states in the pink afterglow are destroyed, lowering the N to 580 nanometers emission that was only produced by the N atoms, yielding a flat profile. A 1 mm radial profile was also obtained with a collimator set on the 1 mm optical fiber and moved along the radial axis of a surface wave, SW, plasma. With a SW plasma, the electric field, E, reaches a maximum value on the tube wall, giving high energy to electrons. As a consequence, the AR metastable atoms produced by high-energy electrons and destroyed by low-energy electrons, insensitive to E, will show radial profiles of which the shapes were analyzed to determine the metastable excitation and de-excitation rates. In AR-SW plasmas at 600 MHz, 0.1 torr, 2 watts, it was determined that Cm is equal to 15-10-11 Cm3S1 and Cm is equal to 13-10-7 Cm3S1. As for a DC positive column at same electron density, Ne is equal to 31,010 Cm3. 3D spatial distributions of the intensity of the optical thin Re 549.6 nanometers line were measured in DC and SW plasma columns at 150 m torr inside tubes of 2 cm dia and 50 cm long. Bessel-type radial distributions were found in the AR-DC column and more rounded profiles in the AR-SW plasmas at 600 to 900 MHz, with hollow shapes at the plasma end. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.